60-year-old woman crying over young boy.
Yesterday, guy said to Mr. Nicky, tired, me can't money. The poor guy now, the carry nothing.
Oh, God.
You? The poor guy don't need
Hey, come back.
tell him, say, Kai and people them. Tell him, say, Kai and people them as you have in life. The church puts it down over there. Mr. Cherry, a big woman, me a big me for you. Mother, Mr. Cherry, Mr. Cherry, give me nobody. No.
5 o'clock man in Makali, man, what time it is so what? Did they man send him best? Listen. Alive! Hi, sister. Oh, a cherry bestie. You next sister? I don't feel that one a cherry one. I wanted the funny phone of a cherry. Me no want the last week cherry. Tony, give my chance.
Tony, let me excite me.